Gains on the news that will be reinstated in the F&O segment. Contracts for May 2023 will now be available. Meanwhile, Citi also announces invitation of claims in corporate insolvency resolution process.
Cipla's under pressure. It's one of the top losers on the Nifty after the US drug regulator issues 8 observations for its Pithampur facility. The plant was inspected between February 2nd to 17th.
Vedanta falls over 6% after bond yields of the company surged to 35% on Vedanta Resources. The street fears a default at the promoter end.
Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza and joining me as always is Mangla Malu. Well, for today at least, you're seeing a bit of a fight from the bulls from lower levels and the ingredients were in place. Yesterday, you saw a bit of a short covering bounce that played on the Nifty Bank. And currently we're seeing the Nifty Bank as well holding in the green. Remember, today is the Nifty Financial Services expiry. And the bulk of the contribution comes in from the HDFC Twins and ICICI Bank. That's close to around 60% odd. So if that has to play out in favor of the bulls, then the Nifty Bank as well could show some traction. And that's precisely what's happening. On the Nifty as well, we're up close to around 20 points. At higher levels, we could expect some supply. But I think the ingredients are in place to see a bit of a relief rally. Whether it happens today or tomorrow, well, time will tell. But for the time being, that 17,300 odd mark, which we held out yesterday, that is likely to hold out at least in the near term. But let's get in Shilpa Rout, who joins us to run us through her view on the markets. Hi, Shilpa. Good morning. What's your view, Shilpa? At around the 17,410 odd, what would the fresh trade be and how would you approach the Nifty Bank?
Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Coming to the indices, let's talk about Nifty. Nifty, we see 17,400 straddle is very aggressive. Both side call and put, they are aggressively adding up positions. So any sustenance above 17,400 will see a short squeeze and the upside momentum will lead towards 17,600 zones. Coming to Bank Nifty, we see that 40,300 put is having the highest number of fresh OI additions as of now, whereas 40,400 and 40,500 call writers are also very aggressive. So the range is very tight, but any sort of sustenance again above 40,400 on Bank Nifty, you will see the upside rally extending towards 40,800 to 41,000 zones.
All right. So that's about the indices. Individual stock, Shilpa, what do you have on your radar for us today?
I have two buys. One is Godrej Properties. Godrej Properties trading at around 1110 zones now, has a very strong support at 1090. So that should be a stop loss and you should look for targets towards 1145 to 1160. The other one would be a buy in Coromandel. Coromandel also has given a brief breakout above 900. So sustaining 900 zones will see the rally upside towards 930 zones.
All right, Shilpa, thanks a lot for that. With that, we shift focus to our special coming in from Money Control Pro. Ideas for Profit. Our colleagues joined in. Neha Dave has a stock.